This is our TLS Dynamix tunable white system. From either our wall-mounted control panel or our Bluetooth smartphone application, you can manually dim the system, adjust the color temperature, or select one of the programmable preset scenes. The interface for both the control panel or the smartphone app is the same. You have the on-off button, the 4 programmable preset scenes, the dimming and color temperature settings. The system can also be controlled by your in-house control. With these settings and controls, you can illuminate your products to harmonize with any season of the year, time of day, or product type. The system can be customized to your specific lighting requirement. Following these few steps will give you control of the TLS Dynamix. Simply download the smartphone application, download the interface image to your camera roll, launch the DALI Touch smartphone app, select the unidentified interface, click on the menu tab, click on Set User Image. From your camera roll, select the downloaded interface image. Now you are in control. The TLS Dynamix Tunable White System from Mediagraph.